ক্লাসে আজকে হচ্ছে আমরা বেসিক্যালি ও লেভেল ইডিএক্সএল ও লেভেল কেমিস্ট্রির পেপার 2 যেটা এটি সম্পর্কে একটু জানবো যে এটি আমরা আসলে কিভাবে পড়বো এবং কিভাবে পড়লে আমরা হচ্ছে ভালো করতে পারবো সেইটি সম্পর্কে আমাদের বিস্তারিত আলোচনা। এই পেপারটা নিয়ে অনেকের কনফিউশন রয়েছে, সেই কনফিউশন গুলোকে দূর করা এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের মূল লক্ষ্য। আর অ্যাট দ্য সেম টাইম হচ্ছে আমরা কিছু সলভ করবো ফার্স্ট ইয়ার সলিউশন কোশ্চেন পেপার। তো দুটা জিনিস আমি প্রথমে বলে রাখি, একটা হচ্ছে যে আমার থিওরিটিক্যাল নলেজ যেটি আমার দরকার হবে। কেন দরকার হবে? সেটি হচ্ছে যে যে কোশ্চেনগুলো আমরা সলভ করব সেই কোশ্চেনগুলোর ইনার ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড যেটি বা ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড হিস্ট্রি যেটাকে বলি আমরা, সেই ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড হিস্ট্রিটা আমাদের জানা দরকার হবে। কারণ ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড হিস্ট্রি যদি আমি ভালো করে না জানি, তাহলে কোশ্চেনগুলো সলভ করতে গেলে অনেকটা বিরক্ত বোধ হবে। কারণ আপনার ভিতরের জিনিসগুলো জানা না থাকার কারণে, যেমন ধরেন একটা আপনি ম্যাথ করবেন, সে ম্যাথের যদি ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড না জানেন, তার যদি ফর্মুলা আপনার জানা না থাকে, আপনি শুধু যদি ম্যাথটা করে যান ফর্মুলা না জেনে, তাহলে এটা আপনার জন্য খুব কঠিন হবে। কিন্তু যদি আপনি ফর্মুলাটা আগে বুঝে নেন যে ফর্মুলাটা কিভাবে কাজ করে বা ফর্মুলাটাতে কি বলা হয়েছে, তারপরে যদি আপনি অঙ্কটি করতে যান, তখন কিন্তু আপনার জন্য এটা ইজি হয়ে যাবে। আশা করছি বুঝতে পেরেছেন যে মানে কেন আমাদের থিওরিটা দরকার হবে। আর এরপরে আসি আমরা যে লাস্ট ইয়ার যে কোশ্চিন পেপারগুলো রয়েছে, সেগুলো আমরা ধারাবাহিক সলভ করব। তো আমি এখানে আরেকটি জিনিস বলে নিই, সেটি হচ্ছে যে আমরা ইডিএক্সেল এবং হচ্ছে ক্যামব্রিজের ও লেভেল এবং এ লেভেলের পেপারগুলো, বিভিন্ন পেপারগুলো সলভ করে থাকি। তো আমাদের এখান থেকে আপনি অনলাইনের বাংলাদেশের যে স্টুডেন্টগুলো রয়েছে বা ইন্ডিয়ান যে স্টুডেন্ট রয়েছেন, তারা আমাদের সাথে সংযুক্ত হতে পারবেন। অ্যাট দ্য সেম টাইম হচ্ছে গোটা ওয়ার্ল্ডের যে কোনো পার্ট থেকে আমাদের সাথে সংযুক্ত হওয়া যাবে। আমাদের যে ওয়েবসাইট সেটি হচ্ছে, আপনি যদি গুগলে চলে যান, গুগলে যে আপনি যদি জাস্ট লিখেন যে www.masbidi.org লিখে এন্টার দেবেন। এন্টার দিলে আপনার এখান থেকে চলে আসবে হচ্ছে এই যে আনোয়ার ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম, এখানে চলে যাবেন। এখানে গেলেই আমাদের ও লেভেল এবং এ লেভেল সংক্রান্ত বিভিন্ন তথ্যগুলো, ডেমো ভিডিওগুলো সবগুলো এখানে পাওয়া যাবে। আপনি আপনার কোর্সের জন্য ডেমো ভিডিও পাবেন বা অন্যান্য আমাদের টোটাল প্রোগ্রামটা এই ও লেভেল এবং এ লেভেলের কেমব্রিজ এবং ইডিএক্সএল কারিকুলাম সম্পর্কে বিস্তারিত আপনি জানতে পারবেন। Anyone from any part of the universe can take part into our online classes, and the online classes are designed so enormously that it will go a long way to solve all your academic problem, and no other tuitions, no other supports will be required to have a complete preparation for the final examination. I hope you have understand. So all the learners are I welcome to all the learners to join to my online classes and to solve papers from any part of the globe. So let's start with the subject paper, that is chemistry paper 2, O level EDXL. Uh, Before going to discuss the inner part of the subject papers, I would like to introduce you regarding the uh, chapters that is containing the paper as per the syllabus. Okay, EduExcel in here we can see that there are a few chapters. I'm going to pronounce the name of the chapters that will help you to have a crystal clear vision or pictures, so that you can understand easily. The first chapter is the state of matter, that is related. This chapter is related to the behavior of the matters, and then elect elements, components, and mixtures. Element, components, and mixture. There are something little bit complex analysis here regarding the matters and the and its component. We know that each and every matter composed with few particles, and under these chapters we learn that types of uh, and topics that will help us to solve the problems. So this is another issue. And then chapter 3 is that the atomic structure. So I can also write here that will help also. Chapter 3, first from I start from the first chapter. Chapter 1, the এটি হচ্ছে যে কেমিস্ট্রি কেমিস্ট্রি ইডিওক্সেল পেপার 2, হ্যাঁ, ইডিওক্সেল পেপার 2 ইডিওক্সেল। Okay, chapters, chapters, chapters. One. One is the state of matter. State matter. Chapter two. Elements, compounds, compounds and mixtures. Three. Three. Atomic structure. Atomic. Four. Periodic table. Five. Chemical formula. Equations, calculations. তারপরে হচ্ছে বন্ডিং 7, 8, 9 এটি হচ্ছে বন্ডিং 6, 7, 8, 9 এটি বেসিক্যালি 5 এবং 6 মিলে 5 + 6 এটা হ্যাঁ ইকুয়াল টু 7, 8, 9 এ আছে হলো 7 + 8 + 9 ইকুয়াল টু আছে হলো বন্ডিং ওকে দেন হচ্ছে 10 ইলেকট্রোলাইটস ইলেকট্রো ইলেকট্রোলাইসিস হ্যাঁ ইলেকট্রোলাইসিস ওকে দেন 11 অ্যালকালি মেটাল do not to be worried by watching this video because these chapters are not so enriched. There are very few little component or subject matters within these chapters, and I will go through in details as per the syllabus. So it will not go, not it is not going to be difficult, much more difficult, but rather it will be more easier to understand and to solve your problems. Okay, then 12 halogens, Halogens, halogens. Then 13 হচ্ছে gases on atmosphere, gases on atmosphere. And protein extraction of metal, metal. Then 15 reactivity series. 16 acid alkali. 17 chemical test. 18 energetics. 19 rates of reaction. So these are the chapters, and there are some few other chapters that is reversible reaction and organic chemistry. Okay, organic chemistry include chapter 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26 as per the syllabus. This chapter, the organic portion of will be discussed here, and we will go through from the chapter 1 to chapter 21. That is starting from the state of matter to 21 revision. Reversible reaction up to reversible reaction. So we can write here rate of reaction, reversible reaction. reversible reactions, and organic chemistry. I hope you understand. These are the chapters, and all the basic part of these chapters will be discussed to understand and to solve the problems. Uh, and the most important thing is that we will have a much more focus on solving the past year question paper, because most of the questions will be set from the question set or the uh, previous questions. So at first we will solve those question paper, and then we will learn additionally from depending on the topics or depending on the chapters or as per the syllabus. I hope you understand, and by this way we'll be able to solve the paper two. Okay, then uh, uh, one more thing you can take note. All the questions solutions, correct solution will be provided. All the questions correct solution will be provided. So I hope you have understand how we will cover these chapters and how we will solve the problems of um, uh, IGCSE, Edexcel IGCSE paper 2 or O level chemistry paper 2. During this journey, we'll provide different types of notes that will be helpful for you to understand, and also provide the uh, important questions or important chapters. We'll have a much more focus on the chapters that are much more important. So these are the procedure by which we'll be able to cover the whole paper, and there will be online exam here. You have any student from who have registered here or is continuing his class will take part into the online exams, and assessment exams will provide after the for each chapters after completing the chapter. So any student from the different part of the globe can take part into our online classes that will for solving O-level chemistry paper 2 for the Edexcel curriculum. So firstly, we are focusing on the chapter that is state of matter. What is state of matter? The state of matter. Uh, what is the meaning of the chapters, and what the subject matters are related to the state of matter. The state of matters. The state of matters is a uh, firstly we will try to understand the what is matter. Then we will go to the state of matter. Matters are the substance that take place and have the definite identity, have the definite volume. So matters, what is matters? Matters is a substance that take place, that take occupy some positions or places, and which is visible. You can toss it. Okay, got my point. So you can easily understand the what is matter. And now the question is the what is the matter. So matter, in case of matters, if we have a focus on the matters, the matter, each and every matter is composed of the fundamental particle that we have all discussed in our earlier classes. So matters have some state, some positions. That is, the electron, proton, neutrons within a matter, within a substance, are lies in different format, and the positions or the formations of the substance can take place into the basically these types of positions. Which one is you can see? Okay, you can see here. Firstly, solid, solid, liquid, and gas, and then plasma state. Now, for having focusing on the solid, solid has a different and specific identification. You can toss it, and it is visible. And liquid is the liquid form of the solid form, that is liquid state, and gas are the gaseous form. So, solid, in case of solid, in the attraction between the two particles of the molecules, the two particles are much more stronger than the liquid position. The attraction between the two molecules within a solid is known as the uh, interforce intermolecular force. Uh, we can see here the intermolecular force. Intermolecular force. What is intermolecular force? Intermolecular force is the attraction of the particles within a substance, uh, uh, which binds the two particles together. You can see if we take an pictures, this one you can see here. This is one molecule, one molecule, one molecule, one. This is one molecule, and these are the particles. Particles. These are the particles. So these two particles have an intermolecular attraction. This attraction, one types of this molecule, both these two molecule feel attraction. This attraction is known as the intermolecular attraction, and it helps the two molecule to combine together. As a result of this, we can see a solid substance. So, in case of solid substance, the intermolecular force is much more greater than the liquid position. In case of liquid, we can see in case of liquid, the intermolecular force is much more lower than the solid. This is why the distance between the two molecules increases. So in case of gas, almost none. The intermolecular force is uh, uh, much more less than the solid and liquid positions. So there are three types of positions: liquid, solid, liquid, and gas. Naturally, normally, and the one substance will stay in the natures, either solid or liquid or gas. But in front of in the point of chemical behavior, you can analyze that in case of solid substance, the intermolecular force is much more higher than the liquid force. What is intermolecular force? Intermolecular force is the force that's attract two molecules to combine together. This is called the intermolecular force. So in case of gas, the intermolecular force is much more less than the solid and liquid. That's why it is gas. And the another one is a plasma state. Plasma state is not existable, do not have existence in this earth, but it can be shown in the solar systems. This is another point, another positions of the matters that lies in the solar system. So we are getting here four types of state of a matter. The chapter, the name of the chapter was state of matter, and then we are able to understand there are four types of states of matter, and number one is solid, number two is liquid, three is gas, and number four is plasma state. That's so This is very comfortable to understand, I hope, because this is the very preliminary stage of understanding the uh, matter. Now, the it comes now the next questions we will learn from the state of matter is that what types of questions we are in need to understand that what are the state of the matter, what is intermolecular force that we have already discussed, what is intermolecular force, and the how the intermolecular force changes between from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and gas to plasma state. In case of plasma state, the intermolecular force is almost none because it is much more. It is mixed positions, uh, mm, semi-liquid positions of the matrix of the substance, which is known as the plasma state. So um, from our discussion, we have already learned solid, liquid, and gas and plasma states. But the most important for your exam is solid, liquid, and gas. And we have to learn from from this video or from the discussions that what is matter, how the matter react, or how you can define the matter, what is the positions of the matter, and what is the difference between solid, liquid, and gas, and how the intermolecular force affect on the state of the solid, liquid, or gas. These are the questions that we have already discussed, and the complete note of these questions will be provided, and in the final examination you will have questions from these discussions. As you know, the questions are very question. If you already seen the question papers, question papers on this when it comes to for chemistry paper 2 IGSC Edexcel. Then you can see here there are much more few questions that have been set it out at the final question paper from these chapters. And today's discussion is the basic, and this will help you to solve the problems from solve the problems of the question of the past year question papers. That's why you should take notes what you have learned here, and then you will memorize, you will try to understand, and then you will have a practice gradually. Mind it, the repetition is the mother of success. So repetition with an definite interval is much more important to keep in mind the information, and to transmit the information to the short-term memory to the long-term memory that will help you to recover, reuse at any time. I hope you understand. In our next class, we will start solving the question papers. And during the process of solving the question papers, we will provide different types of information, different types of notes, and different types of explanation. So each and every class is much more important for all of you. I will especially request to the guardians and to the students to take part and to think for your before getting admission to any places to solve your academic problem, because we are here to support you completely to solve your O level problems. Uh, uh, and just how you will achieve how you will join with me. Now the question is how you will join with me. Just go to my website. Just go to my website, and you will have an just go to my website, this one, and we will have a registration link here. You will get you will have a registration link. I am showing you how you will get the registration link. So this one, and then if you go down, then you will see, you will hear some pages. Okay, sure. Then this is the admission form. Just click on the button and get complete your admission procedure and join my class immediately. I'm conducting the classes into two different mode. That is group mode. You have to for 5 to 10 students of the globe, and see uh, one-to-one online coaching that will solve your all academic problems and will help you to have a vivid, crystal clear pictures in your mind to understand the chemistry and to do well with these subject papers. So I will especially request you all to join my class immediately to solve your O-level, Edexcel, and among Cambridge curriculum program. I'm conducting these classes from our website for standard 6 to A level and English version. So hope you have understand, and that, you should practice uh, the phonetics that I am using or will use in the different classes, because it will help you to grow up and to build a confidence within you. The most important thing is that you have to the a much more stronger uh, confidence level to solve the papers and to go with my video. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe the channel and share it so that much more students get information to solve their problem online.